I want to show you something.
Did you see that glow? It's like the mountain just blinked.
What you are just watching. The dialogue, studio quality scenes, consistent characters. I made all of it today. One afternoon. Zero paid software. And honestly, the most technical thing I had to do was copy and paste. Most creators are doing AI animation completely wrong right now. They open an image generator, start throwing prompts at it, and hope something decent comes out. The result? 5 scenes where the main character has 3 different faces, a story that makes no sense, and visuals that look like random AI experiments instead of a real animation. Here is the secret. The tools are not the problem. The talent isn't the issue either. The issue is the sequence. There is a specific order of operations that makes this entire process feel almost effortless, and skipping even one step is exactly why most AI animations fall apart. Today, I'm walking you through the exact 4-step workflow I used. I'm also breaking down the master prompt that generates everything before you touch a single creative tool. But listen closely. Do not just copy and paste the prompt and click away. You need to understand why each step happens in this order. By the end of this video, you'll see what all of it looks like when it's fully assembled, scored, edited, and ready to post. Let's get into it. No creative tools. No image generators. The first thing I open is ChatGPT. Most people skip this entirely, and it destroys their results before they even start. When you jump straight into generating visuals, you are making decisions in the wrong order. You end up rewriting character descriptions mid-project, regenerating scenes that don't match, and losing all consistency. The fix is simple. Plan the entire animation before touching anything else. I have one prompt that does all the heavy lifting. I paste it into ChatGPT, and it outputs a complete production package in a single response. Here's what comes out. A full story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Detailed character designs with exact physical descriptions. Text-to-image prompts for every character and every scene. Image-to-video prompts for each scene, with dialogue already embedded inside them. That last point matters more than anything. The dialogue is baked directly into the video prompts. You do not have to write anything from scratch. You are not guessing. Every piece of content you need for the next 3 steps is already sitting there, ready to copy. Let me show you what's actually inside this prompt, because understanding how it works is what lets you customize it for any story you want to make. Here's the prompt. The keyword there is structured creative build document. I'm not asking for a story, I'm asking for a production asset. That framing is everything. It tells ChatGPT to organize the output the way a production pipeline works, not the way a novelist would think. The prompt is divided into 3 sections. Section A locks in the characters. I define 3 permanent animated characters, an explorer kid, a scientist sister, and a hovering nano scout droid with 2 glowing eyes and 2 small mechanical arms. Each one gets detailed 3D cartoon design language, proportions, personality cues, and exact height values. And then, this is important, the prompt explicitly states these definitions must not be rewritten, resized, or altered anywhere else in the document. That locking instruction is what forces consistency across every scene that follows. Section B is what I call the dialogue energy track. Instead of natural-sounding conversation, I ask for 10 to 12 specific spoken lines that function as emotional spikes throughout the film. Each line is designed to push curiosity, tension, wonder, or resolution. Each line is tied to one of the locked characters, and they're sequenced to build emotional intensity from the opening scene to the final moment. These lines get embedded directly into the video prompts later, which is why the animation feels like it has a pulse. It was engineered to have one. Section C is the full execution timeline, 16 to 20 cinematic steps in chronological order. Each step contains 3 things: a story beat description, a text-to-image prompt with shot type and camera direction, and an image-to-video prompt with character movement, environmental motion, and the dialogue line integrated. Every single step also begins with the same instruction. Render using locked boy plus locked girl plus locked robot, exactly as defined in Section A. That line is the insurance policy. It prevents character drift across the entire project. The reason this works is because it eliminates all the ambiguity that causes AI tools to produce inconsistent results. ChatGPT is not guessing what you want. You have given it a framework, and it fills that framework out. Now that everything is planned, it's time to create the actual images. The tool I use for this is Google Whisk, and it's completely free. Take your first character prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk. Generate. You'll immediately notice the quality. Clean lines, strong style, the kind of image that looks like it came from a real animation studio rather than a random AI experiment. Now repeat the exact same process for your second and third characters. When all three characters share the same artistic DNA like this, your final project feels intentional and professional instead of stitched together. Now here's where the consistency magic happens. Drag each character image into the subject box on the left. When you do this, Whisk locks those characters as references for every future generation. Every scene you generate after this will pull from those same character designs automatically. No constant tweaking, no reprompting. The tool just keeps them consistent. Copy your first scene prompt from ChatGPT and run it. The output has real cinematic quality, strong lighting, depth, proper composition. It looks like a frame that belongs in a finished animation, not a prototype. Work through each scene prompt the same way. The tool will ensure the same characters, visual style, and polish across every image. This allows our story to build visually through different scenes while keeping the characters consistent. When you finish, download everything into one organized folder. That folder is your complete visual library for the next step. This is where still images become actual video. Upload your first scene image into Grok. Copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, dialogue line included, and generate. Within seconds, the scene moves, characters speak, expressions change, the lip sync lines up. Motion that took professionals days to produce now takes 30 seconds. Repeat the exact same process for every scene. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate. Because the characters were locked in step 2 and the prompts were structured in step 1, everything flows. Same faces, same outfits, smooth transitions from one clip to the next. By the time you've worked through all the scenes, it stops feeling like separate AI clips stitched together. It feels like a continuous story with an actual through line, because that's exactly what it is. These are the raw scenes straight out of Grok. Individual clips, no editing, no music. But stick with me through the next step, because what these look like once they're cut together and scored is a completely different experience. Grok also lets you upscale video directly inside the platform. Run the upscale on each clip after generating. You get clean HD output with no watermark. Download everything and keep your files labeled clearly. That labeling saves significant time in the next step. The last step is assembly, and it's the fastest part of the whole process. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your clips. If your files were labeled in step 3, placing them in the correct order takes about 30 seconds. Add transitions between each scene. Keep them short. Fast cuts hold energy. Long transitions drain it. For audio, I am using CapCut's library. You can also use YouTube Studio Audio Library or site like Pixabay to find background music. Import your chosen track and drop the volume low enough that dialogue stays the priority. Turn on CapCut's auto caption feature. Let it generate subtitles. Choose a clean font and add a light animation to keep the text dynamic without distracting from the visuals. Before export, do a final review of the timeline. Make sure the emotional arc you built in the prompt actually lands when you watch it as a complete animation. Then export in the correct aspect ratio for whatever platform you're posting to. And here it is, the full thing assembled.
Did you see that glow? It's like the mountain just blinked. That's not just light, that's energy displacement.
So you're saying the Earth just hiccuped?
Alert, Emerald Rift pulse detected.
If the rift destabilizes, the valley won't survive it.
We have to stabilize it!
Then we don't run from it. We run toward it!
That's what 4 steps and 1 afternoon produces. That is the complete system. 4 steps, all free tools, 1 afternoon of work. The part that changes everything is the prompt. Building the full blueprint before touching any creative tool removes every guessing game from the process. The sequence produces consistency that random generation never will. If you want the exact master prompt I used in this video, the full version, ready to copy, the link is in the description. Drop a comment if you're going to try this or have any questions. I will be happy to help. See you in the comments.